ठीक है, ठीक। यहाँ पे ये क्या बोल रहा था कि इंडियन, हाँ, Indians were in confusion that we are demanding complete independence, we are going to get it or not, or we are demanding domestic status, something less than complete independence, we are going to get it or not. But the British government, because they were the people who were the arbiter, so they were the people, they were exactly understanding, they were knowing exactly if they have to concede dominant status to India or not. If they were having the plan that they are going to continue ruling over India beyond 1929, so naturally they were assured that they don't have to concede any concession to the Indian people. था ना, इसका मतलब होता है कि अच्छा, now because they have already been intimidated by their enemies, the Indian National Congress, that they what are regarding their future plans, so naturally, and because they were clear in their mental makeup that they don't have to concede dominant status to India, इसका मतलब होता है कि now they were assured that if we don't have to give independence to India or dominant status to India by 1929, इसका मतलब होता है कि now they were planning that they are going to launch the mass movement, second mass movement. और क्या कर सकता था वो लोग, और क्या कर सकते थे आप कि आप छीन लीजिएगा, हाँ से छीन लेना है, नहीं ना। इसका मतलब होता है कि the only agenda or the only thing that was possible for the Indian people, it was to launch a another mass movement. ठीक है, तो नेचुरली कि in between 1928 and 29 they are going to make total preparation how they are going to counter the mass movement if it is going to take place. It will be if it will be launched by the Indians beyond after 1929 और in 1930s. ठीक है, अभी लोगों ने ये किया और 1929 के दिसंबर में 31 दिसंबर तक they desperately waited कि something concrete may come from for India, but nothing came and therefore on 26th, देखो 26 January 1930 the first Independence Day was celebrated with great pomp and praise throughout India, and it was, yes, वही इसका हिस्ट्री है कि वाइज रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 26 जनवरी 1950, ये है। पर इसलिए यहाँ पे देखो यही एजेंडा है, यही क्लियर है कि 1928 से लेकर 26 जनवरी के बीच में नो discussion has ever taken place in between the Indian National Congress and the British government. This was the only scenario. 3 statements were delivered. One was in 28 December, ठीक है, and the second was in fact the confusion that arose in between the veteran leaders and the youth leaders, and the statement that was delivered by the Indian National Congress. This was the only 2 things, political things that happened in India in between 28 and 29. And Indian people स्वतः संज्ञान लेते हुए, स्वतः संज्ञान का मतलब होता है कि they were not exactly knowing. अच्छा, महात्मा गांधी in between after 31st December 1929 he locked himself in his Sabarmati ashram. He went over there. What was his future planning? Because he was supposed to launch the second mass movement, so he was definitely making the portfolio of the second mass movement that he is going to launch. But before he could do anything or before he could get activated, on 26 January 1930, the first Independence Day was celebrated throughout India by almost all the Indian people throughout India with a great pomp and pleasure. सब जगह सेलिब्रेट हुआ. आप कह सकते हो कि अच्छा, the taste of this first Independence Day was as such that it seemed that India is in fact actually celebrating her actual Independence Day. ये कहीं से नहीं लग रहा था कि क्या बोल सकते हो उसको, कि किसी तरह का किसी को शक हो सुबह नहीं था. There was not even a single sense of apprehension with the Indian people. इंडियन पीपल के दिमाग में कहीं शक नहीं दिख रहा था, चेहरे पे कहीं शिकन नहीं दिख रहा था. Everyone was celebrating the Independence Day on 26 January 1930 as if they have achieved their independence on 26 January. This was the thing. But this was in fact the state of mental makeup of the Indian people. सारे के सारे हिंदुस्तानी के दिमाग में था कि हम आजाद हो गए. ठीक है, माने every Indian was now coming forward in the Indian national movement with greatest dedication and determination and with confidence, level of confidence बहुत हाई था, dedication बहुत जोरदार था, devotion बहुत ज़्यादा था, और ऑप्टिमिज्म बहुत ज़्यादा था या एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा था? एवरीवन वाज 100% एनर्जाइज्ड, ठीक है। और फिर अब यहाँ पे ये 26 जनवरी के बाद में ऐसे चलता रहा, खत्म हो गया। फिर उसके बाद एंड ऑन 12 मार्च 1930 महात्मा गांधी, विदाउट सेइंग एनीथिंग टू एनीवन, ही लॉन्च्ड हिज दांडी मार्च। दांडी मार्च शुरू कर दिया एंड ऑन 6 अप्रैल 1930 ही मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इलीगल सॉल्ट, ठीक है। अच्छा, he could have, some of the historians they blame Mahatma Gandhi that because he was so popular. अच्छा, Dandi March so popular that Mahatma Gandhi was 100% of the opinion that if he is going to demand private chauffeur from any industries of the world, so they would have agreed it very easily. वो एकदम सीधे ऑफर मान लिए होते महात्मा गांधी का कि हम अपना प्राइवेट हेलीकॉप्टर दे रहे हैं, तुमको भेज रहे हैं। तो वाई ही टुक 12 से लेकर 18 दिन यहाँ पे और 6 दिन, 24 दिन, 3 weeks were wasted. He launched his Dandi March on foot along with his 78 disciples. 78 डिसाइपल्स के साथ में एकदम पैदल चले अपने साबरमती आश्रम से लेकर दांडी तक. It was more than 350 kilometers, and on foot he was traveling along with his 78 disciples. So one group of historians, they are of the opinion that Mahatma Gandhi was of the opinion that Mahatma Gandhi has already given information to the British government that what are in fact the future plans. I am handicapped that because I have already given an alarm to the people of India. I have already assured the people of India that I am going to launch. I am planning for the launching of the second mass movement. Because the people of India, because they were very much optimistic because of the success of the non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement के success से वो बड़ी non-cooperation movement के success से the people of India, they were very optimized. दिमाग में तो था ना कि भाई कुछ मिलेगा, कुछ होगा भाई non-cooperation movement में. उसी तरह से महात्मा गांधी has already given a indication to the people of India that he is already launching the second mass movement. That will be more, or that will be larger than or bigger than the non-cooperation movement. But on the other hand, he has also already given the information to the British people that when he is going to launch his second mass movement. In between 1928 and 29 December, within this 1 year gestation period that was given to the British government did nothing, because he has already given enough time to the British government to arrest him, because he was already knowing that if he will be arrested, there is not even a single second Indian in India who could lead a mass movement in India against the British government. So he was giving intimidation to the British government that simply arrest me. तुम हमको अगर अरेस्ट कर लोगे तो I'll be having a pretext कि अब हम कैसे लॉन्च करें जेल के अंदर से, और हम अगर जेल में चले जाएंगे तो there is not even a single Indian other than Mahatma Gandhi who could launch the mass movement in India against the British government. कोई लॉन्च नहीं कर सकता. इससे मतलब सेकेंड मास मूवमेंट खत्म हो जाएगा स्टार्ट होने के पहले. यहाँ पे दिया, जब यहाँ पे अरेस्ट नहीं हुए, और when he was understanding this enthusiasm of the people of India by looking at the way the celebration of the first Independence Day on 26 January 1930 took place, Mahatma Gandhi was now of the opinion that if I am not going to launch the mass movement, the people of India, they will be having a different impression मेरे बारे में ख्याल बदल जाएंगे. ऐसे समय में he was having no other option but to launch the mass movement. And therefore, 12th March 1999, he launched the Dandi March. He started the Dandi March. Acha, all paparazzis, all media houses throughout the globe, they were invited to cover his Dandi March. Media from all across the world, they were invited to cover the Dandi March. All newspapers में एकदम पूरा का पूरा ये छाया हुआ था कि दांडी मार्च शुरू हो रहा है. माने he was giving the next level popularity to his Dandi March. Why he was doing that? ये important है ना, क्यों ऐसा कर रहे थे? तो एक कारण तो ये हो सकता है कि because 1926 के पहले, ये 12 मार्च के पहले इंडियंस के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था इंडियंस को कि महात्मा गांधी क्या लॉन्च करने वाले हैं. तो जब तक ये 24 दिन अगर मिलेगा, ये 24 दिन जो मिलेगा वो 24 दिन के अंदर में दांडी मार्च व्हेन इट इज गोइंग टू मेक, व्हेन महात्मा गांधी इज गोइंग टू टेक वन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, तो इट विल बी माने इट इज सिंपली गोइंग टू बी नोन one step. Mahatma Gandhi has already taken one step forward. It will be known to every Indian or 2% Indian. When he is going to take the second step, it will be known to 4% Indians. धीरे धीरे as he is going to move on the Dandi March, as his Dandi March is going to gain momentum, the news that Mahatma Gandhi has already launched the second mass movement, it will be gradually known to every Indian. And by the time on 6th April 1930, when I am going to actually break the sword law, so it will be the Dandi March or the start of the second civil disobedience movement or the start of the second mass movement in India. It will be known to every Indian. और यहाँ से शुरू होगा. अच्छा, ये भी बोल दिया था कि we are in the second mass movement, we are going to launch from where we ended our previous one. इसको लिख लो यार, स्टेटमेंट को लिख लो, क्या कि स्टेटमेंट इम्पोर्टेंट, इससे पूरा हिस्ट्री फर्दर चलता है. In December 1928, the Congress made the statement, ब्रैकेट में कर दो डिमांड, made a demand. Dominion status should be granted to India. Dominion status should be granted to India latest by midnight of 31st December 1929. Midnight of 31st December 1929. Otherwise, the Congress would demand complete independence. The Congress would demand complete independence and would go up to an extent to achieve it. Full stop दे दो. This time we may start from where we ended our previous one. This time we may start from where we ended our previous one. ठीक है, यहां तक क्लियर. अब देखो, 2-4-5 मिनट चलने दो. ठीक, अब देखो यहाँ पे कि ये बोल दिया, इसका मतलब एकदम क्लियर नहीं था. द स्टेटमेंट दैट वाज डिलीवर्ड बाय द कांग्रेस बिफोर द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, इट वाज मेकिंग इट वेरी क्लियर फॉर द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट वाज इन फैक्ट द फ्यूचर प्लानिंग ऑफ द कांग्रेस. इट वाज क्लियर और नॉट? अच्छा, they have already given the intimation to the British government that we are going to start it from where we ended our previous one. का मतलब था कि non cooperation movement it ended before it entering to the third stage of defiance of law and